Hi, I'm Jesse with Metroline Direct. In this video, I'm doing a quick overview of the controls on the Yealink BH71 Bluetooth headset. This is an over-the-ear headset, and it's similar to the Poly Voyager 5200 headset. That's a very popular headset, and we've had a lot of success with that, and we believe that we'll have a lot of success with this one as well. If you're curious to see what the audio sounds like with these two headsets, I did do a video that you can check out. I'll have a link to that up at the top here. So this headset has a few different variations. You can get the version that comes with the carrying case. Here's the carrying case. And then the Pro version has the carrying case that has a battery built into it. Or you can get a workstation that you can leave at your desk. So first off, they've gotten the headset size down 10% from the Voyager 5200. And in order to do that, they had to allow the headset to be charged through a proprietary means. Instead of plugging in a cord directly to it, you have to put it into the base, and you'll notice when you put it in the base, it's magnetic, so it snaps right in place. Or you can put it inside the base and charge it inside the base as well. So on the headset itself, you've got the power button, which also doubles as the pairing button, and we'll come back to that in a second here when I show you how to pair the headset. And then on the back of the boom, you have the call button. That's how you answer or end your calls. And then the red button on top of the boom is your mute button. And the volume control is this knob on the side here. It's a neat little way to control the volume, and you can use that to adjust your ring volume when the headset is idle, or when you're in a phone call, you can use that to adjust the volume of your call. And the medium size earpiece comes pre-installed. If you want to go with the smaller or larger earpiece, you can take this one off and put the other earpiece on as needed. And then there's also an adjustment that you can make on the headset. You can make the headset smaller or larger just by pulling it apart like this or pushing it back together. And that's something that I have not seen on any other headsets before. So that's a neat idea if you have a little bit larger ear and a regular headset doesn't fit over your ear comfortably. This headset may fit over your ear more comfortably. Okay, so let's pair the headset. Now today I've got my Grandstream WP822 phone. By the way, this is a Wi-Fi phone, and I'll be doing a review on this phone shortly, so keep an eye out for that. Also, I did want to mention, if you aren't subscribed or following my channel already, please go ahead and do that now. I don't want you to miss out on any of my future videos. So to put the headset in pairing mode, you're going to press the power button up, push it all the way up to the Bluetooth symbol and hold it in place, and just hold it there for about a second or two, and the light on the switch will start flashing red and blue. And then when it flashes red and blue, that's how you know that it's in pairing mode. And if you're listening to the earpiece, you'll also hear an audible message that says pairing mode. And now at this point, your headset is ready to be found by your device, and that could be a Grandstream device like this one here, or it could be any other, it could be your cell phone or any other device that you have that is Bluetooth compatible. Just a side note, I did try this headset out with an Avaya J-Series phone, and it never would finish pairing, so I don't think these headsets are compatible with Avaya phones. Maybe they'll add an option for the base later on, or maybe they'll just fix that problem with a software update. So we'll have to see how that goes. I did find it comfortable on my ear. Also, I did note that just like other manufacturers, Yealink recommends taking your glasses off before putting the headset on your ear. I didn't really notice having to do that, but it's just something that I wanted to put out there in case some of you have trouble with putting it on your ear. Don't forget to check out my video where I put this headset up against the Poly Voyager 5200 headset in a real-world mic test situation. I'll have a link to that video right here. And as always, we appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow or subscribe for more videos from us. Thanks for watching.